आ गए हैं। युवा मुंबा की जो टीम शीट है वो हमारे पास है।
साथ कूदने के लिए तैयार है बिकॉज आप भी कूदोगे मेरे साथ. दैट्स नाइस.
बिल्कुल.
Fastest Super 10 in the history of this championship by Karnidharan Kandasamy, and I'll tell you why I'm saying that, because that was the fastest time that Navneet has picked a side immediately. You are whatsoever. May I know the reason, please, sir?
जी हाँ, ये पिछले 3-4 मैचों से हार रहे हैं. वैसे अच्छा खेल रहे हैं, लेकिन यहाँ पर वो जो लीडरशिप है लोकेश घोषालिया का, वो वापस. चौधरी भी कमाल के हो जाते हैं. बाकी सबको दिशा दशा सब कुछ बात करेंगे. शिवम चौधरी की 15 रेड पॉइंट, 8 टच, 7 बोनस.
ये देखिए नंबर की कहानियां बाद में. ये बोनस or it is a touch point, and I am seeing from the last 4 or 5 matches it's always been touch points. Chetan Chaudhary, bonus +1. There we go. The bonus the Gabru in the action, and 35th bonus point.
ये 35th बोनस पॉइंट यहाँ पे चेतन चौधरी को बाहर का रास्ता दिखाया गया है, और लेकर के अभिमन्यु अपने रास्ते.
नहीं मिला रेड पॉइंट, लेकिन Shivam Chaudhary, has he got to? Yes, he has. On that right corner, Lokesh Gosalia does not go back in time. Well, he's just come out after a fever. And Aftab Mansoori, again, he's that 5th defender. Remember, there is no Deepak Kundu today. I don't see him in the starting 7. And in the previous raid, from Anil, he doesn't cross over, Navneet. He's waiting just at the right moment. When can he tap the hand on against the midline, and then that angle hole comes in. Left in. Who was that? It's Jatin Singh. Brilliant attempt. And Raghuvanshi has to go back. Navneet, you picked.
शायद रघुवंशी साहब का वहां पर जैसा कहा जाता है ना, संगत का असर होता है. लेकिन यहाँ पर भी अनिल है.
Yeah, Anil was trying to say that he had touched him. Now this is very, very important. It is the East My Trip. Sukal and Prem Mandal has pulled him back. Can we have that first touch? I know it is a super tackle, but can we check? Anil was very, very confident. He could have come back. We want to see the raid from the beginning. Now wait, was there a touch here? Not this, my friends in the PCR. No. We wanted to see the initial part of the raid, Navneet, isn't it? Once is fooling Anil, maybe. And Anil getting fooled. That's a big blunder. It's a do or die raid. First one of the match, Navneet. And Ravi Bhati says, okay, that's enough. After a long time, as is Shivam Singh. He's made of the DM Kabaddi Academy, and I've spent around 15-20 minutes today talking to Jasveer Singh Sahwat. The breakfast table kicks. First in the previous raid takes off LO, and now he takes off double C. Of cricket arena as well, and most importantly for me, in the DM Kabaddi Academy, it's a super tackle. Well, we will speak about that, but this is my trip super tackle, and that has come via whom? The chain tackle of Prem Mandal and Mugilan.
Yeah, easemytrip.com जिस तरीके से आपको ईज के साथ ट्रैवल करवाती है, उसी तरीके से ईज के साथ यहाँ पर चेन में फंसाया.
The reason do or die raid. Navneet, I think Aftab Mansoori will.
यहाँ पे सफलता मिली है नवीन, और पहली बार शायद ऐसा है कि युवा मुंबा आगे निकल गई है. 7 मिनट का खेल है, 13 और 12 का स्कोर नवीन.
And I heard that excitement in your voice as well.
Do or die.
Deep. Have a look at that a little later, but now we were all built. Oh, what a frame! What a frame! I think the previous occasion we had that unexpected zoom out that happened on the frame was I think this frame was being searched. Whoa! Wait! Hang on! Is this everything for the Yuva Mumba? Is the Supra Saf here? Wait! Hang on, Ravi Bhati. Is it only 2 or all 3 touch points? Abhimanyu Raghuvanshi.
निर्णय आ चुका है.
2 points, Yuva Mumba.
Jersey number 3 and 13 out.
Lovely.
Substitution.
And this is needed.
Jersey number 40
This
out.
is needed. Sushant Singh can come in. Mahesh, all his coaching and yoga ability. Well, can Sushant Singh save the all out here? Very interesting. If he can do that, then nothing like it. Hello, Double C are back. And the Double C gets him from that right corner.
1 plus 2, 3 points.
And
Yuva Mumba. All
they
out.
have taken
Yuva
the revenge
Yodha.
here. Is on second there. Nitin Dhamakedar Dhankar is on the first of the list. And once again, it's Mugilan. Yeah, left cover, I should say.
Rest
Mugilan to
set.
just
1
be
point.
quiet.
Yuva Yodha. Jersey
Just
number
be
47
quiet. Don't go
out.
there. Totally. Because man, Shivam Chaudhary has gone in and he pauses just to check on what is Lokesh Gosul Mekapia. That's the list we're talking about. Oh, Chetan Chaudhary! Behind him comes in. And this is the first time he's looked
Yuva Mumba.
completely out of sorts. And I'll tell
That
you what.
was a very, very long pause.
Oh, yes, it was. Yes, it was. He wanted to pause and check on Lokesh Gosalia, but Chetan Chaudhary.
जिस तरीके की शुरुआत युवा योद्धास ने की थी उस तरीके का आगाज अच्छा हुआ था, अंत अच्छा नहीं हुआ, लेकिन अंत यहाँ पर फर्स्ट हाफ के अंत में युवा मूवमेंट आगे है, लेकिन एक बार युवा योद्धास ऑल आउट हो गई, उसके कारण 2 पॉइंट माइंड रहता है, कोई डाउट में आप नहीं रहते, जाओ और मार दो, मतलब यही करना है और कुछ सोचना ही नहीं है. एंड that is how if sports team operate, or even if we operate that way in life, things become simpler.
Oh, yeah, simpler, yes. But finally, Jatin Singh revives Shivam Chaudhary. Finally, he's been revived. And I think time off the court overall in this match, 6 minutes is a big time. 6 minutes is a big, big time, and now he's been revived. Kick again from Abhimanyu Raghuvanshi. He likes those kicks. And nobody in that left corner. It's a weak flank. It's a very, very weak flank, Navneet, for the Yuva Yodhas, and they've been tested here. And I'll tell you what story. That's the story. And the left flank, especially that left corner and left in. Sachin Singh also on that right cover hasn't done anything. Jayesh Mahajan hasn't done anything. 0 tackle points to both of them. And there we go. That's the first ever tackle point, and look at that. The entire team had to come in. Apart from Shivam Chaudhary, everybody had to come in to manage that weak left flank. Navneet, when have you said बोलते हैं ना बाजीराव का डायलॉग, चीते की नजर आ गए, चीते की चाल और बाज की नजर. ये देखिए भाई हमारे अंपायर्स के,
चीते की चाल, बाज की नजर, और यहाँ पे युवा मुंबा का डिफेंस और ये सब का खेल हम देखते हैं. तो नवीन कहते हैं हैट्स ऑफ, यानी टोपी नीचे. easebytrip.com super tackle.
After you as well, Navneet. What a story connected. What a dotted line that you connected today. चीते की चाल, बाज की नजर और युवा मुंबा का oh, my friend. That's what happens. You said I instigate people. I do instigate them in the right way. And I have instigated Jayesh Mahajan as well. I will out that left corner is getting weaker and softer. Not this time.
युवा मुंबा रेड लगाती है, बोनस लेती है अगर. Oh.
Bonus plus 1 point. Yuva Mumba.
Yeah, make that 28. And this all out is because Abhimanyu Raghuvanshi is off the mat. 11 minutes. And if this all out is conceded, it's going to be Abhimanyu Raghuvanshi off the mat. Umesh Pawar has been tackled. Jayesh Mahajan now shows that the left corner is kind of stronger.
All out. Yuva Mumba.
Oh, Umesh Pawar is not feeling okay. I think something's just gone into his right eye. On the Yuva platform, he went there, had to hone his skills, had to nourish a lot, come out stronger. So he was being made to play all the little local tournaments. And that's a big, big tackle. India one-star moment of the match. And Sandeep Singh knows it. Because it's Shivam Singh who's just, I think, lost a little steam, lost a little energy. because he's been raiding relentlessly. And look at that. Prithviraj Shinde getting the ankle hold. India one-star moment. Definitely gonna go.
जी हाँ, कहानी कुछ इस तरीके से लिखी जा रही है कि यहाँ पर युवा मुंबा ने अपना जो पंजा है,
1 + 2 3 points.
अगर आप उनके युवा पे यू पे देखेंगे ना तो पंजा मारा हुआ है, उसी तरीके का पंजा यहाँ मारा है। और ओ यहाँ पे बुलडोज कर दिया।
No. Yeah. Deepak Kundu can't go back. And he got only 1 point, no bonus. Oh,
1 out.
should have got the bonus. First, Deepak Kundu just went out from the center line.
Please listen, don't argue. First listen the struggle.
The last
करोड़
raid.
मरोगे फिर।
There's nobody.
जी हाँ, उन्होंने अपना सुपर 10 कंप्लीट किया है। और ये देखिए।
Raider out. Bonus plus 1 point. Yuva Mumba.
Raider out. And
One
also
defender
one
on the
defender goes off.
जतिन सिंह क्लॉक 0 पे चले गया है। और यहाँ पे युवा मुंबा को मिली है जीत, बच गई है 4136 का स्कोर। और
नवनीत।
टैली जोड़ देंगे तो बराबर मामला होगा 34-34, लेकिन